Yo, back in hot Florida, making our way to the car wash. Yeah, we gotta wash it. So took a trip, a week-long trip to North Carolina for the North Carolina Pacific Arts Festival, and the trip kind of looked like this. All right, so we just finished up Kailani's first memorable visit. What do you think?
It's really cool.
It's really cool. What was your favorite part about being in Buc-ee's?
Going on the toilet.
Is that not the cleanest toilets you've ever seen in your life?
Yeah.
Told you guys, this thing is, whew. She hasn't seen a Buc-ee's since we left Texas 5 years ago, so yeah. And you liked it?
Mm-hmm.
You remember it this time?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, check this out, y'all. 4.5 million gas pumps. Yeah. You know, when we got there, we picked up all the guys from the airport, you know, some real legends, you know, folks we've been learning from for a while. Hey, you know, the festival looks something kind of like this.
But judges, are you ready? Dancers, are you ready? Ty, Cameron, you ready? All right, drummers, are you ready? Imola!
Come on, everybody, let's hear it for Hiti Utemahana.
So yeah, all in all, the festival was a huge success with some hiccups along the way that, you know, we managed to get through it just like every other time. And again, back here in Florida, it's so beautiful. Yeah. So thanks again, you know, y'all. We've been saying thank you for the past few days for, you know, all the love, the energy, and the knowledge that y'all have shared with us. Can't wait to do it again. And we're gonna go finish cleaning these cars. So until next time, y'all. Peace.